What's going on YouTube? This is what we're Josh doing. Today we've got an exciting video. So I ordered a Google Stadia. I chose expedited shipping because I wanted it to get here as soon as possible. And I received it. So the box is empty. It says Google Stadia, let's play. One place for all the ways we play. Stadia Founders Edition. This is beyond exciting. Now, I have spoiled myself and seen several reviews that were from people that received this from Google for review, and it is early. It has gone without hiccups. There are features that are missing from an initial deployment, and we will get those later on. But this is all very early, and Stadia wanted us to have this now sooner than later. So that's something I can get behind, and it's a service that will get better. So look at that. Look at that. These feel nice and spaced out. One of my complaints with the PS4 is I have long fingers, long thumbs, everything. And okay, so they're still going to touch on this. That's why I really like the Xbox design, where my fingers don't ever touch each other. And then we've got a USB-C cable. And then we have the charger. This is a special Chromecast Ultra. It's special because it has an updated firmware that as of today, as of right now, as of recording and uploading this video, is only available with the Founders Edition. All existing Chromecasts will be updated in the future to support that. So it is what it is. And this is a special thing because it uses Ethernet and it puts it out over your micro USB connection. So that's pretty cool. This pulls out, and then we've got some information in here. The promise, blah, blah, blah. Getting started, blah, blah, blah. Google Stadia. Stickers. Yeah. So there we have it. I'm going to go ahead and get this all set up now. One thing I'm going to try that's different is I have my Ethernet plugged in. I do have Google Fiber and a really fast Wi-Fi connection. But a lot of the reviews I saw, they were all using wireless. So we're going to try Ethernet. So it should connect automatically. We have the Home app here. We're going to go ahead and launch Home. We're going to set up a device. It is currently looking for devices. All right, Chromecast was found. Connecting to Chromecast. Chromecast Ultra 1002. All right, so actually for now, we've got to connect to Wi-Fi, because I have Google Fiber and I don't use the Wi-Fi that comes with my internet. I use a Google Wi-Fi spot, which creates its own network. So we're going to try that again, but with Wi-Fi this time. And there we have it. Now it picks up the Chromecast. I'll just have to enable the Wi-Fi on my built-in thing and connect my phone to that. So, okay, we are getting somewhere. That is the same code I see on my Chromecast. No, thank you. For now, it'll be in my office. Connect it to my Google Wi-Fi. Yes, use my same password on save it, or use the password from my phone. It wants to link it to my Gmail, which I'll probably need to do anyway for, the sake of using the Google Stadia. So oddly enough, it does have an update, so they could update the other ones on day one. Just saying. Hey, it automatically switched to go to Stadia. Want to set up your Stadia controller? Like, I didn't even have to choose it. It just said go to Stadia. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do BXAX. Now, this is the part that's probably the pain in the freaking butt. Set up the controller using the app. Well, I can't do that because it says I need a code, and I haven't been emailed that code yet. So it's dumb that I'm stuck at this point until I get the email. All right, so I was actually in the process of editing the first part of this video when my email came, and I went ahead and set up my payment and put in my username, which is my Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, everything else. So now we're going to see the games. And Destiny 2 is free. And claim and play on Office TV. All right, finally get to enter in that BXAX. Unless I got to turn it on or something first. I held down the button and it vibrated, so I wonder if I just turned it off. Okay, so it's looking for controllers now. So we will go ahead and click on it. It is starting the setup. This has been blinking like an orange color the whole time. I haven't been able to do anything with it. Oh, it vibrated. Yes, it's vibrating. I don't want to share. Connect it to my Wi-Fi and connect. Come on, change colors. Change the color. It needs to glow a white, apparently. Oh, there it goes. It's white. Oh, it's got a firmware update. A blinking orange and white means that there's an update being installed to the controller. Very interesting. Okay, so it just blinked white again after it vibrated. So it's blinking white. Done. And so now we should be able to press. It vibrated again. B. It's vibrating each time I press the button now. X. A. X. It vibrated twice. And okay. Play. I'm going to go ahead and link cross-save real quick. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and link my account. I'm going to allow it permission to see my profile. And now I have cross-save enabled. So now, this has been like literally just a couple minutes. If I press A, hold it to accept, I should see my high-level guardians instead of starter ones. We'll give it a moment here. And there we go. There's my characters that I've been working on Battle.net and then Steam. So we will see which one had probably this one. And also, so I can also look at this through my Google Wi-Fi. So I'm going to go ahead and start up Vex Offensive on Moon, and we'll see what that's like. So what I need to do is log into my Google fiber router box and enable the Wi-Fi on there so that I can connect my controller to my Google fiber box, because I use 2 different networks, but I've got all my like game systems and important things running directly to the fiber network through wired, and I've got the Wi-Fi turned off, and then I've got Google Wi-Fi connected to that. So Vex Offensive probably won't find anybody. I just thought about that because this is a brand new service. So let's jump in. I guess let's just do what everyone else has been doing, and we'll just launch up the Vanguard strikes here. So it's Void Burn. I thought I saw. Yeah, Void. So we'll choose a. Well, don't really have a Void at the moment, so it's a brand new service. So it's not gonna find people very quickly. So I guess we'll just start out on the EDZ in Trossland, and we'll land there because it's a new game. It's a new thing, It's not. There's no cross play, just cross save. But all my stuff that I've been working on is here on Stadia. Now, I am somebody that has used the GeForce Now on my currently powered down at the moment NVIDIA Shield Portable and NVIDIA Shield TV, which is right below the monitor there. So a little bit of input lag, like they were saying. But this is using Wi-Fi. And right now, let me just move this right there. So You can see what the speed is. Okay, that's a little bit of a frustrating. I definitely cannot wait to get the Wi-Fi working. Like I said, I turned it off because the Wi-Fi on the router box itself wasn't that great. So it is what it is. Oh, look, I found someone else, I think. Oh, that's Devram K. I'm by myself here. You can also look at the roster and see that currently nobody's my friend. And we're using 30 megabits per second. You know what I'll do? I will figure out my Wi-Fi thing, turn it back on, and I will do another video of wired test to compare it to the Wi-Fi. Because Ethernet will have less input lag for sure. Hip firing is definitely easier than aiming. Come on. Hey, what we could do is just throw a Nova Bomb real quick. Rally the flag. And yeet! Anyways, so there you go. That's just the unboxing, first impressions, and linking my Guardian to BattleNet. Or to to Stadia. Yeet. Come here. Yeet. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see me test out any other games, if you'd like to see a wired versus wireless difference, let me know in the comments below. If comments are disabled, it is not my fault. YouTube, for some reason, has deemed my channel unworthy of having comments enabled on most of my videos, if not all. So reach me out on Twitter or Instagram. I will have a link to both of those in the description below, and you can comment on my relative post. So, like I just posted a Stadia picture of my controller, and comment on that if you have any questions on Instagram or Twitter. This is What Would Josh Do, and I'm out.